Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and I'm an expert in being myself. Every day for the past 2.5 decades, I've been sharing my life with everybody. I've done an awful lot, but what I always enjoy doing most is sharing my thoughts, my opinions, my perspectives, my advice, my experiences with those who care to listen. So this particular channel is set up specifically for that. Sharing my advice with you, advice in relation to my experiences, my perspectives, and you may have been following me in social media since the very beginning, even before there was a beginning. I started in the mid-90s, and I've grown to experience a great many things in my life, and very happy to provide that insight to you. So feel free to ask if there's something I might be able to help you with. I may very well have an answer. Of course, if I don't have an answer, I won't give you anything, because this is all based upon my thoughts, my experiences, my insight that I'm ready to share with you. So welcome to my play shop. I'm live streaming every night on Twitch and posting new advice videos to this channel every day. Feel free to subscribe, because it is free to subscribe. It's, of course, free to listen. Thanks again for liking the videos, commenting, asking for my advice, and watching.